Hi, I'm Sean with Simple Website Creations, and today we're going to talk about the content pages in our content management system and how to change things like general content, your headers, add a picture, add a PDF link to your website, things like that. So we're going to make this very simple and enjoy. Let's just go to the home page. You can see there it says homepage text. And I'm just going to show you this page real quick so you can understand how it works. There's a content area, and you can see where we have the page title, and then the content area. And the content area, if you look on this page of the content management system and you compare it with the home page content area, it's the same information, correct? All right, so we're back to the content management system. And on this page, it has a lot of things that you can do to it. In your general contact area here, you can see that it uses a lot of the same type of icons as like a Microsoft Word or things like that. You have your bold, you can italicize things, you have bullet points. You have, when you want to insert or edit a link, you're able to upload a picture onto the page. And if you do upload a picture, and I'll show you that in just a minute, remember that we like to keep that at 800 pixels or smaller, and depending on the use, of course, but the larger the picture, sometimes the longer it takes to upload. And if you upload too large of a picture, you will end up with an error message, and we do that for a reason. All right, so let's start off with learning how to do a few simple things on here. And we're just going to use this page, and we're going to do several things on it, and then we'll show you how it affected and how quickly and easily it was to do and how it affected the actual website. So we've already got our content information that we want to keep on there, but I'm going to use this area down below just to show you how easy it is to do something. So we're going to add a little bit of text in here. And it's as simple as typing in, just like you would in a Word document or anything else like that. And you can just type in. And you can see here, I'm just saying, hello from Simple Website Creations. Check out our website. Okay, so that's very, very simple. You can see we've typed it in. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you could link inside your website. And so it's as simple as when you do something like in Microsoft Word, when you highlight it and then you go into the insert a link, which is the little icon up here at the top. Okay. Now in this link, or in this link tab, it's going to pop up, and there's 4 tabs: Link Info, Target, Upload, and Advanced. This is just going to be linking to a URL, which is going to be our actual website at goswc.net, and it's as simple as making sure that the URL is selected. We can do a couple of different things, but right now we're just going to do a URL, and then what we're going to do is enter in. And you can copy and paste, or you can just type it in there. And one thing I always want to say is, when you do any type of link that is outside of your own website, you want to select, after you've entered the URL, you want to select Target and hit the drop down and click New Window. And the reason that you want to do that is because it'll open it up into a new tab in the browser, and so that if somebody goes to that, one of your potential customers that is browsing your website goes to it, it will make it so that if they close out of it, they're not out of your website. So this is very important. So please remember to select New Window or a blank target when you're doing a link outside of your website. All right, so just in refreshing, I've entered in goswc.net. I selected New Window, and then it's as simple as clicking OK. All right. And so when I do that, you'll see the very important thing to do always is remember to hit Save. Always remember to hit Save. So I'm going to click Save. Now, I'll show you how easy as this is. So you can see it's not showing right now, but if I hit refresh, like somebody new went into your website, you can see right here, hello from Simple Website Creations, check out our website. And you can see it's highlighted for a link to my website. So if I click on it, voila, you are now at the Simple Website Creations website. This is probably where it all started for you anyways, so you're back at it. It's that simple. Okay, so now you've learned how to do a link to another website, but what if you want to upload a PDF? That's one of the things that our clients are probably asked to be able to do the most, especially like PDF links. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So again, you're going to want some type of an anchor text, and I'm just typing in here, upload a file. It's very simple. And this one will be the same thing. You're going to highlight whatever it is that you want to highlight. And again, you're going to hit Insert Edit Link. But this time, instead of choosing a URL, we're going to go right to the Upload tab. And all you have to do is click Choose File. Find on your computer where you have the file that you want to use. And for me, I'm just going to upload a PDF of our logo right now for simplicity's sake. All right. And then, so now we've selected it. We're going to click Send it to the server, and it's going to load. And that just means it's sending it to the hosting files right now. So it's loading that file right now. And depending on the size of the file is how long it'll take to load and your internet speed. And then you're going to get something that says your file has been successfully uploaded. You want to click OK. That means that it has uploaded. And again, if this is something that is going to take somebody outside of your site, you want to make sure that you click New Window and click OK. And hit Save. Always remember to click Save. And this is going to activate a PDF on your website. Again, we have to refresh. And there you can see it says upload a file. If I click that, it's going to open it up in a new page because we selected that. And you can see it's just a logo, a PDF of our logo. Very, very simple. Again, we're trying to make this as easy of a process as possible for you to do any alterations or changes. All right, let's go back again to the home page. Now, the next thing that a lot of people ask is they want to be able to upload a picture into their content area of their website. And that is also very simple. This time though, all you're going to do is click on Insert or Edit Image. All right, and we're going to upload. You could also pull one off of, if you have a URL to a picture that you want to use, you could do that. But in most cases, it's going to be uploading off of your computer. So we're going to upload it. And again, one of the things we want to make sure is you never upload an image that's probably bigger than 800 pixels wide. That just helps for loading and the speed of load for when your client or a potential client is looking at your website. So we're going to go to Choose Picture. And I already created a picture of a file that is only 300 pixels wide for simplicity's sake. And you just select it, click Open. We want to send it to the server so that it goes to the hosting server where your hosting files are. And that went really quick because it's a small file. I'm going to click OK. You should enter in some alternative text when you do this because it helps with searchability. For this, I'm just going to put in, sample text. Whereas usually you would put something in that is a descriptor of what the picture is. And that'll help with searchability for search engine optimization. I'm going to click OK. And if you can see here, you can see it loaded a picture. This is a picture of one of the high definition photography things that we do. We do high definition real estate photography. Maybe a little plug, but that's okay. We'd love to take care of you with that too. Now, again, always remember to hit Save. All right, so now we're going to go back again to the home page for jjacksonpainting.com. We're going to hit refresh. And you can see immediately that picture is showing. It was that easy. It's that simple. That's some of the general stuff for things that you can add to your page and how easy it is to do it. Now I'm just going to show you a few things with the actual content that you can do. Number one, if you need to delete something, it's very easy. You can highlight it just like you would in any type of document you use in almost any type of system. You can hit backspace or delete. You can see there, it showed I deleted the picture, I deleted the PDF, and I deleted the URL. I'm going to hit save. When you go back to it and you hit refresh, you're going to see that all of these are going to disappear. And you can see they are gone. It's that easy. All right, let's go back into the homepage text now, and I'm just going to show you a few simple things. I'm going to type a couple things in here. Add a header, okay? Add a secondary header. Normal text. All right. So you're probably wondering why I would type it like that, but there's a reason for it. On the add header, we will build your website so that there are headers that help with searchability as well as bring attention to what the paragraph or the primary thing that you're going to be talking about on the page. And if you select header 1, as you can see here in this drop down, the format drop down, again I'll go back. So right here where you have format, click the arrow, the down arrow, and you can select specific headers. And each header, the bigger it is or the lower the number, header 1, header 2, header 3, helps to show the importance of what you're typing. So you can see I selected add a header, which that would be like here on the home page. I have Premier Residential and Commercial Painter in Fargo-Moorhead. It's really important that we want to make sure that people understand that that's the primary thing about this website. And then there's secondary information that we want people to understand too. And it helps with searchability as well with search engines. The next one is add a secondary header. And again, that's much the same thing. It's as easy as that. You want to make sure that you're using those headers appropriately and that you're not using lots of different colors and everything like that because you're going to think that brings great attention to the site when really it just makes it look like an unprofessional site. So that's my advice on that. So adding information or adding content as simple as just typing it and always remembering to hit save. And so if we go back to the site again, say we were starting from scratch, I hit refresh, we page down, I have the add a header, which would be your main header if you were starting from scratch, add a secondary header, which would be another descriptor that you would use if you were typing something in, and then you're going to have your normal text.